Good morning children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to give the revision of geometry here. Lines children, we are going to learn about the lines here. See, horizontal lines. Horizontal lines means in the previous classes already we learned horizontal nothing but sleeping line. See here. This is a horizontal line children, sleeping line. You can call it as a sleeping line also. And next line is vertical lines. Vertical lines nothing but standing line. We can call it as a standing line also. And next slanting lines. Slanting lines nothing but sloping lines. We can take it as a sloping line also. This is. So horizontal lines like this, or you can call it as a sleeping line also. Vertical line, or you can call it is also standing line. And slanting line. Slanting line nothing but we can call it as a sloping line also. Now I am giving here one figure. You need to count horizontal lines, vertical and slanting lines in this. Lines. Okay. Now here I am giving one figure. Once you see children here. So this figure I gave children, you need to count the how many horizontal lines in the given figure, how many vertical lines in the given figure, and how many slanting lines in the given figure. Come on, let's count the horizontal lines here. I am giving the H for horizontal lines. Horizontal lines nothing but already I explained you here sleeping lines. See here, let's count the sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, still anywhere? Here 6. So horizontal lines are 6 in the given figure. Now vertical lines nothing but here already I told you standing lines. Come on, let's count the standing lines in this. 1 and the small lines also you need to count 2, 3, 4, still anywhere? Here 5, here 6. So 6 vertical lines are there. Let's count again here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 5, 6. 6 vertical lines are there children. Now next slanting lines. Slanting lines nothing but sloping lines. So slanting lines nothing but sloping lines. Come on, can you see anywhere here sloping line? Here we come anywhere and here we can see sloping here. 1, 2. So 2 sloping lines we can see in the given figure. So horizontal lines are 6 in the given figure. Vertical lines are 6 in the given figure. Slanting lines are 2 in the given figure. So these are the lines and its types: horizontal lines, vertical lines, slanting lines. Next children, now we are going to learn about the plane shapes or 2D shapes. Already I told you, D nothing but dimensions. Dimensions means with the shapes we measures in. Okay. Now what are the plane shapes means here? Shapes which have length and breadth. Okay. If any shape we are taking, if the shape has a length and only breadth means, so that type of shapes are called the plane shapes. Now we are going to learn some plane shapes. Come on children, plane shapes I said you know here. Now circle I am taking here. Circle nothing but here. It's a closed figure with a rounded shape children. A closed figure with a round shape. Come on, you can see here circle. This is a circle children. And it doesn't have any vertices. Means it doesn't have any corners. So For it, no corners. For it, no corners, and it has only one curved edge. One curved edge, children. Next, here triangle. Triangle means it has three sides. See here, you can see the shape of triangle. It has three sides. 1, 2, 3. So it has three sides and 1, 2, 3. So 3 corners. Next, square, children. So this is a square, children, which I am drawing now. So this is a square. So square has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. So once again I am repeating, children. Circle has no corners and it have one curved edge. Now triangle. Triangle nothing but this is a triangle here. It has 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. And square, children. Square means it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. So a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A circle has no corners, one curved. Next plane shape is rectangle, children. Rectangle, this is the shape of rectangle here. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 sides. And let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners. So a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners and its opposite sides are equal. And coming to the pentagon. Pentagon means let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 sides. And count vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corners. So it has 5 corners. And next shape is hexagon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon nothing but it is a 6-sided figure. So it has 6 sides and vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 corners. Means hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Pentagon have 5 sides, 5 corners. And rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners. Next plane shapes are, children, here. Heptagon. Heptagon, come on, let's count the sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has 7 sides. Corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 corners. And you can see here everywhere alternate sides I have drawn with a different color, children, here. So heptagon has 7 sides, 7 corners. Coming to the octagon here, come on, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So octagon has 8 sides. Now count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 corners. See, heptagon has 7 sides and 7 corners. And octagon has 8 sides, 8 corners. Coming to the nanogon here. See here. Let's count the sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So nanogon has 9 sides and corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9 corners. So nanogon has 9 sides and 9 corners. Coming to the decagon here, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has 10 sides. Corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has 10 corners. So decagon has 10 sides and 10 corners. Revision worksheet here. See, count number of horizontal, vertical and slanting lines of the given figure. This is the figure, children. You count in this figure how many horizontal lines are there, how many vertical lines are there, how many slanting lines are there. Now next, the second one is fill in the blanks I gave you here. You see, a circle has dash edges. Edges nothing but this is the side children. Now second one, a triangle has dash sides and dash corners. How many sides it have and how many corners it has, you need to write here. Next, a square has dash sides and dash corners. A rectangle has dash sides and dash corners. A pentagon has dash sides and dash corners. Now, a hexagon has dash sides and dash corners. A heptagon has dash sides and dash corners. A octagon has dash sides and dash corners. A nonagon has dash sides and dash corners. A decagon has dash sides and dash corners. I gave you here plane shapes children. For that plane shapes, how many sides it have and how many corners it have, you need to write. Thank you children.